classroom. Good morning. How are you? Fine. So, a very good and refreshing good morning to you all. Now, in the last part only we have completed our second chapter of English, that was the two sculptors. Okay. And I hope you have gone through the lessons and each and every exercise of the chapter is clear to you. And if it is not clear, you are free to ask any questions anytime and drop your queries in the discussion box. Now let us start today's class. Before I start the class, just write your name in the discussion box and give your attendance. Write your name in the discussion box and give your attendance. Have you given all? Now in this class we are going to start one chapter of your grammar book, that is chapter 2, the sentence. Chapter 2, the sentence. Now what is a sentence? What is a sentence? This chapter we are going to start chapter 2, the sentence. Okay. So what is a sentence? What do you mean by sentence? Anything that you speak in English or in any language in a line where there are many words. Okay. और you can say a sentence is a statement. एक sentence एक statement होता है. Like if I am talking to you, I am taking your class. That means I am speaking out many sentences. I am speaking out many sentences. Anything. For example, I live in Janjgir. मैं जांजगीर में रहती हूँ. I come to और I go to Gurukul International School. मैं Gurukul International School जाती हूँ. So these are the arrangements of word to make a sentence. एक word arrange करके एक sentence बनता है. And speaking out a sentence as well as writing down a sentence have some rules. Sentence को बोलने के लिए और लिखने के लिए कुछ rules होते हैं that we should follow. Now, here there are 3 sentences in the first page of your chapter 2, that is on page number 7. I hope you must have opened your book. Page number 7. Now look at these sentences and read out. 1, 2, 3 sentences are there. Just read it out. इसे read करना है. So have you read? Now sentences are: Shireen lives in London. Shireen लंदन में रहती है. I live in Sarita Bihar. मैं सरिता बिहार में रहता हूँ. And your name. Now, if you have read the sentences, just look at the instructions which is given on the top. And the instruction is: rewrite these sentences using capital letters, full stops or question marks. Now, I was saying that there are certain rules of speaking out any sentence or to write down any sentences. Okay? And the rule is every sentence starts with a capital letter. हर sentence capital letter से start होता है. And how does it end? वो कैसे end होता है? Depending upon the sentence. Now I am telling you the second rule. Depending upon the sentence, that whether it is a statement or a question, we put either full stop or a question mark. This is the second rule of the sentence, writing a sentence. And the third rule is, if there is any special name, that special name should start sentences. Okay, what is the first rule? The first rule is a sentence must start with a capital letter. Shireen lives in London. The first letter is not capital here, so we have to make it capital. Shireen. Shireen lives in London. Now look here, London is a special name, but the first letter is not capital. So we have to correct this also. Shireen lives in London. 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 And a sentence must be ended with a full stop. So we have to put a full stop here. Now come to the next statement. I live in Sarita Vihar. What are the three rules of writing a sentence? The first letter must be capital. If there is any special noun, special name in the sentence, it must start with a capital letter. And the third one is, if it is a statement, it must end with a full stop. If it is a question, it should end with a question mark. I hope I am not going too fast. If I am going, please tell me. Now, the next sentence is, I live, I am in Sarita. Sarita Vihar is a special name, so we are writing with capital S as well as with capital V. Sarita Vihar. S will be capital, V will be capital. And this is a statement, so we need to put a full stop. We need to put a full stop here. Now next is, what is your name? Again, three rules. The first letter is not capital, and there is not any special name, only this sentence is a question sentence, so it must end with a question mark. So the correct sentence is, what is your name and a question mark. So just now what did we do? We wrote these three sentences. ये तीन sentences को हमने फिर से लिखा है. We have rewritten it. Okay? So have you all understood? Have you all understood? Please write it down in your book, page number 7, chapter 2, the sentences. So this was the introductory part of the sentences, that a sentence is an arrangement of words. And the second thing is, any sentence must have a sense. अगर इसी सेंटेंस को आपने ऐसा लिखा रहता, Shireen London lives in, so it doesn't have any meaning. Shireen London lives in का कोई भी meaning नहीं है. That means it is not a sentence. In a sentence, words must be arranged in a particular manner. Okay? So, come to the next part of the chapter. Now I am reading out at page number 7. Just follow the lines. Kathy is wearing a new skirt. Kathy is wearing a new skirt means Kathy ने एक नया स्कर्ट पहना है. Alok rides his bicycle to school. Alok bicycle से स्कूल जाता है. How many eggs are there in the basket? Basket में कितने eggs हैं? See, there is the use of many here. Eggs are countable nouns. That's why the word many is used here. How many eggs are there in the basket? There are 5 eggs in the basket. Now look at the statement where it asks a question. How many eggs are there in the basket? In that sentence, a question mark has been used to represent that this sentence is a question, and just below it, just after it, it is written there are 5 eggs in the basket and a full stop is put. That means a question ends with a question mark and a statement ends with a full stop. All of these are sentences. The words are arranged to make sense. मैम ने पहले बताया आपको कि वर्ड्स ऐसे अरेंज होने चाहिए कि जिसका कोई सेंस बने. सेंस का मतलब कोई मतलब होना चाहिए. They start with a capital letter, they end with a full stop or a question mark, as we have done in this exercise, the top exercise. Okay, now come to page number 8. The first exercise, match column A with column B to make sentences. One has been done for you. Now come to next sentence, next page. Now look here. Is this visible to you? Is the exercise match it is visible to you? The first sentence is Hina is going to Shimla. The second sentence is Billy loves to play. The third sentence, Amrita is mine. The fourth one, father is going. The fifth one, my brother loves to read. The sixth one, Rita keeps her books. The seventh one, my mother cooked. The eighth one, spring is mine. The ninth one, there are 12 months. And the 10th one is every morning I take. All these sentences in column A are incomplete. Column A के जो भी sentences हैं वो incomplete हैं. We have to match them to column B so that the sentence may be completed. ताकि वो सारे sentences क्या हो जाए? Complete हो जाए. जैसे कि Hina is going to Shimla in the holidays. Hina holidays में शिमला जा रही है. Okay. Although the book has instructed, the exercise has instructed to make lines, but I would like to say that you just don't draw lines because lines are very confusing. Lines are very confusing. Sometimes what happens, one line overlaps on another. एक लाइन दूसरी लाइन के ऊपर ओवरलैप कर देता है जिसमें कि कंफ्यूजन होता है. So what we should do, we should always, as I do, because it helps me, okay, it helps me a lot क्योंकि लाइन से मैं कंफ्यूज नहीं होती हूँ, and when I put numbers it is very clear. Okay, so what you should do, Hina is going to Shimla in the holidays, just because this one is matched to this J, so you should write number 1 here. That means 1 is joined to J. Now the next one is Billy loves to play. Billy loves to play football. This has been matched to A. So what we will do? We will put number 2 here. Don't match the lines. Okay, don't match the lines, just put numbers. It is easier. Now the next is Amrita is mine. Amrita is mine. It will be matched to I, classmate and best friend. So put number 3 at J. Put number 3 at J. Amrita is my classmate and best friend. Number 4. Father is going to. Father is going to office. Number 4 after G. Number 5. My brother loves to read. That it will be matched to H. Comics. My brother loves to read comics because 5 is matched to H. So we are writing 5 after H. Now number 6. Rita keeps her book. Rita keeps her book in a red bag. In a red bag. Write 6 after B. Rita keeps her book in a red bag. Now number 7 is my mother cooked. My mother cooked curry today. Match it with number C. Number 7. My mother cooked curry today. Number 8. Spring is mine. It will be matched to E. Favorite season. Spring is my favorite season. The next one, number 9. There are 12 months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. And the last one is every morning I take my dog for a walk. Every morning I take my dog for a walk. So we have matched column A to column B and the numbers are 2, 6, 7, 10, 8, 9, 4, 5, 3, 1. Again, the numbers that we have matched are 2, 6, 7, 10, 8, 9, 4, 5, 3, 1. Now come to the next exercise. Although the next exercise is A, rewrite these sentences using capital letters and full stops or a question mark. The next sentence I will do it in the next part of this chapter. This chapter का जो next part होगा, in that part you will do this particular exercise because this is a notebook work. In your notes it is written that it has to be done in the notebook. So what we will do? We will do it in the notebook. Now we will do one more exercise. After that what I will do? I will close the class. And before that I want to give you the homework too. Okay. Now the next exercise. This is now the next exercise, as I have told you that this exercise, rewrite these sentences using capital letters and full stop. We will do it in notebook. Okay, we will do it in notebook. The next exercise is tick the correct option. Tick the correct option is the next exercise. Now let me clear you. Let me give you the homework first. This 3 sentences is your homework. These 3 sentences is your homework. Just note it down. Page number 7. The first 3 sentences. Rewrite the sentence using capital letters, full stop or question mark is your homework of the day. Okay. In the next class, I will give you a little more homework. Okay. This is just the starting of the chapter. That's why I have given you a short homework. Now come to the next exercise. That is open page number 9. There are 8 sentences in which you have to mark the correct option for the given sentence. Sentence is not complete. We have to complete it by using the options. Okay. Now look here. This is exercise B. Pick the correct option. Geeta and Hina. Geeta and Hina. Although the answers are marked here, then also we will discuss it first. Okay. So that's why these marked answers are correct. Geeta and Hina shopping. Geeta and Hina went to the market. Geeta and Hina sleeping bed. Okay. So in a sentence, as I have told you that the words arrangement must be correct. हर एक word sentence में important होता है. अगर कोई भी word sentence का miss हुआ है, that means the sentence is not complete. So Geeta and Hina, यहाँ एक word आएगा. If यहाँ पर R होता, then this sentence was correct. But here R is not there. And Geeta and Hina are sleeping. So this statement is also not correct. So what is the correct statement for it is Geeta and Hina went to the market. It means Geeta or Hina market good. Now next is mother is newspaper read, reading a book, read a book. Class 2. In class 1 you had learnt that with is ing form of the action word is used. So mother is reading a book. Mama क्या माँ book read कर रही है. So what is the correct statement to complete the sentence? This option is the correct one. Mother is reading a book. B option is correct. Here B is correct and here also B is correct. Now come to the next question. What is the next question? Question 3. The color of dash. The color of dash. Now see here. This is the sentence which is not completed. You have to choose any of the option to make it complete. But we have to keep it in mind that the option must match this incomplete sentence. So now see the color of. Now although the answers are marked here, we will discuss why this answer is correct and why this option is not correct. Okay. So see. The color of dash, my shoes is black. The color of my shoes is black. मेरे जूतों का कलर क्या है? Black है. Now next option. The color of black shoes. Here, if we are opting for this option, the sentence will remain incomplete only. अगर इस option को आप choose करेंगे, फिर भी ये sentence क्या होगा? Incomplete रह जाएगा. And the third one, the color of black and brown. Again, the case remains the same. If we are opting for option C, it will again remain incomplete. So, what is the correct option? The color of my A 3. The color of my shoes is black. Okay. Now next is number 4. I want to. I want to. 3 options are I want to pretty dress. I want to pretty dress. मैं pretty dress. मैं pretty dress. मैं pretty dress. मैं pretty dress. This is not a correct sentence. See, I want to go party. I want to go party. मैं party जाता हूँ. I want to go party. I want to go party. If you will opt for this option, it will remain incomplete because I want to go to a party will be correct option. So here this is incomplete. So I want to buy a new dress for the party is the correct option. So we have opted for option C. So for number 3, option A is correct, and for number 4, option C is correct. Okay. Now come to the next question or come to the next statement. What is the next statement? It is number 5. Then after you have to change the page. Swimming is healthy habit. Okay, habit healthy. This doesn't suit because this is not completing the sentence. B. Swimming is good for health. Swimming health के लिए अच्छा होता है. Yes, here the sentence has been completed. Now, option C. Swimming is habit good. This doesn't make a sense. इसका तो कोई मतलब ही नहीं निकलता. So, option B is the correct option. Swimming is good for health. Now, turn the page and come to come to statement number 6. Only 3 or 4 statements are left. Class 2, I have given you the homework. What was the homework? The homework was page number 7. Shireen lives in London. I live in Sarita Vihar. What is your name? You have to write the question given in the book, as well as you have to rewrite the sentences using capital letters, full stops, and what? And question mark. And one more homework, although I have told you that I will give you a short homework, but one homework I can give you. Shall I leave it? Okay, leave it for the next class. Now statement number 6. Sumit dash. And options are, is guitar playing, play guitar, is playing the guitar. These 2 options doesn't make a sense, and the appropriate option for this is Sumit is playing the guitar. Sumit guitar बजा रहा है. In English, जब भी हम कोई भी इंस्ट्रूमेंट बजाते हैं, it is called playing in English. Okay, it is called playing in English. Although play means खेलना, लेकिन जब भी हम कुछ भी म्यूजिक बजाते हैं या कोई इंस्ट्रूमेंट बजाते हैं, that is also known as playing. Okay. Now number 7. So option C is correct for 6. Number 7 is we should. Option A is water drink. We should drink a lot of water, and we should in summer drink. These 2 options doesn't make a sense, because if we will use these words, the sentence will be of no sense. Let us see. We should water drink. We should water drink is not correct, but we should drink water will be a correct one. Here we should in summer drink. We should in summer drink is also inappropriate. So the appropriate option is B. That is, we should drink a lot of water. हमें बहुत सारा पानी पीना चाहिए. I also tell you that drink lots and lots of water so that your body should be rehydrated. Rehydrated का मतलब होता है कि बॉडी में जो पानी की जो क्वांटिटी है ना हमेशा बनी रहनी चाहिए. ओके, योर बॉडी मस्ट हैव इनफ वाटर इनसाइड. और जब आपके बॉडी में पानी होता है, पानी रहता है, तो योर बॉडी इज फुल ऑफ एनर्जी. आपके पास खेलने के लिए, खाने के लिए, दौड़ने के लिए, काम करने के लिए पूरी एनर्जी रहती है. एंड इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स अस टू डाइजेस्ट फूड. खाना को पचाने के लिए भी बहुत यूजफुल होता है पानी. सो वी शुड drink a lot of water. Now next one. What is the next one? The next is number 8. The next is number 8. Number 8 is Yogesh likes to eat Chinese food for dinner. योगेश को डिनर के लिए चाइनीज फूड पसंद है. ओके, एंड दीज टू ऑप्शंस, योगेश लाइक्स टू गो डिनर इज इनअप्रोप्रिएट, एंड एज वेल एज योगेश लाइक्स टू चाइनीज एंड इटालियन फूड इज आल्सो इनअप्रोप्रिएट अकॉर्डिंग टू दीज 3 words. Okay, so here we have completed 2 exercises of your grammar book chapter 2, the sentences. We have done exercise that is given on page number 8 and as well as an exercise that is given on page number 9. So after these 2 exercises I am closing my class. Okay, so class 2, what madam always says you, जो मैम हमेशा आपको बोलती है फिर से बोलेगी, obey your parents, drink lots and lots of water. If your parents are saying you to read, write and practice all the subjects, you need to practice it because you are schooling at home. अभी आपका घर ही आपका स्कूल है. Okay, so have a nice day. Bye bye.